So in this video, we're looking at Begin Tai Chi again. We're going to look at the application or another application for it. Again, if you're practicing this on your own, practice it on both sides. So you're going to bend the knees like you would in the form, step out to the left, shift the weight, come up, go down. Step in, straighten the legs. Now you're going to go to the other side. Bend the knees, step out to the right, shift, come up, come down, shift into the right, step in, and straighten the legs. So you're going to practice it on both sides like that, and then work on the applications. The application that we're looking at today is probably the most simple, direct application to these movements, and that's deflecting strikes. So moving up is deflecting a strike, moving down is deflecting a strike. If he throws a punch with his right hand, and my hand's low, I can come up and just use that motion to pop it up. It doesn't have to be like you're not using a bunch of strength, keeping the arms tense, you're staying relaxed and just popping up, and it changes the trajectory of his strike. Likewise, if my hand's high and he throws low, then I drop the palm, so I don't want to lead with the fingers, just like when you do this in the form, you lead with the wrist and the fingers follow. You lead with the wrist and the fingers follow. That's to keep your fingers out of the way, so that as you do these deflections, you're not jamming up your fingers, you're deflecting. And you want it to be relaxed. It's like your hand weighs a ton and it's going boom, just dropping, boom, knock it out of the way. If it's coming to the top, it floats up and deflects it out of the way there, just up. So that's just a really simple, straightforward deflect down, deflect up. And you have that with both hands that you're practicing, so when you're doing that with a partner, they throw a high punch, and as the high punch comes out, you lift up and deflect. If they throw a low punch, you drop down on top of it there. So you're going to practice on both sides, having them throw with both hands and deflecting with both hands. It's a really straightforward drill. The things you don't want to do is be rigid and be smacking their hand. You want to drop down and float up. Here, here. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.